YouTubes, welcome back. This is that lawnmower that my neighbor gave me, who's also a subscriber. The engine's good. The deck is, well, you can see all rusted out. So what I did was I made sure it would run. Had to clean out the fuel system, put a new pull cord in it. Here is, we've got the other engine that was on the Craftsman. Popped it off, and right now it's just sitting on top of the Troybilt deck here. This Troybilt deck is, I had popped the engine off, put it on something else a couple of years ago, and I've kept it because all the transmission works, although the wheels are a little bit bald, but I can't do anything with this deck. So I gotta make sure I get this on the pulley, the belt.
What?
Make sure I got the belt on, because this adapter is stuck on. It ain't coming off. So what we got to find now is line up one of the holes. That one looks like it's gonna line up. Okay, now that you got one on, see this one, the rest should be easier, provided that you have the nuts, the bolts for it. And I think I lost one, but it's got to be around here somewhere. So I'll put this next one on here.
If you're smart,
You put anti-seize on that. Oh, now that they're pretty much on there, you can set it down. And I'm gonna go search for that bolt I'm missing. So stay tuned. Underneath the jack stand. Always is something like simple like that. Oh, and this last one should fit in here. I know this seems loose. I don't know. But I might have another belt. But for now, I just want to see about getting this thing running. And well, this came from a Craftsman deck. It's got the Craftsman blade adapter. And it was a 22-inch blade. I don't have another 22-inch blade that's a Craftsman, or even a universal 20. It's a universal, so I'm just gonna have to use that for now. And because it's a universal, these, I believe. So the grass side is, well, it says this one says bottom right here, so it goes like that. Use a keyed washer to fill in the bow tie here like that, because this is universal. This would fit perfectly on an MTD, but whatever. So then we just slap it on, and we need to get, see, that wash should be good. So like that, and stick it through. Ah. Oh, it goes. Ah. I got the universal here with the washer is there. So, gotta slowly. You see. And I take my impact and maybe get this. Ah, did it come out? No. There we go. Wait, that needs to go a little bit more, a little bit tighter. Right. I used a different keyed washer that I had. See, actually, that's not good. It's still doing this. Thought I just fixed that. Anyway, it is what it is. I'll see if I can get a Craftsman blade. That's really the one that this needs. Is this, I believe, was the brake cable for it, so I put it back on. So we just, excuse me, we just put it back on and attach it up with the handlebars. And I'll meet you in a second. I can't wear it long, it's kind of late. I'm just gonna see if it starts. I think I got it down tight enough. It's good enough just to run for a couple seconds so I can check out things. And let's see. Plus it's late here. So you see here, I got you there. You can see the front wheels. You can see the self-propelled works. I've got fan on and the garage door is cracked open. Prime it. Let's see. And let's pull the cord. So that looks like success for me. I just gotta tidy it up. Later. YouTubers. I'm back. This is the lawnmower I did the engine swap on. I decided to put another beauty cover on it that looks a little bit better. Actually, quite a bit better than I had. This runs. The wheels could be better, and I don't have a bag. I guess gotta lift, change the oil. I do have a new blade on order. I should get it in a week. But what's on here is a 20-inch universal. It doesn't fit exactly right because it's a Craftsman blade adapter. So what I did, I swapped this. I took this engine off of a rusted out Craftsman deck and stuck it on this Troybilt deck that is missing an engine. I redid the recoil, the pull cord, and I brought over the throttle cable here from the Craftsman deck. The carburetor, I rebuilt this for my neighbor a couple years ago, and I replaced the primer bulb at the same time. So since his deck was all rusted out, he decided just to scrap it since he had 2 motors anyway. So he gave it to me. I'm very grateful. So here we go. That'll be probably the last of this one. I will maybe touch with the paint a little bit. I'll see about the wheels and if I can locate a bag. You know, if not, so what? I've had this deck for probably 2 or 3 years. Just been sitting in my basement waiting for an engine, and now I don't have it. It was the only deck I had down there now. So later, tubes.